Being a freelance videographer is amazing until a client decides you messed up and blames you for their losses. That can wipe out your paycheck or worse, your business. Here's the thing, accidents are one thing, but client disputes are another. General liability won't protect you if someone says your video wasn't delivered on time, or that your editing mistake cost them money. That's exactly what professional liability insurance is for. Next Insurance makes it easy. You just add professional liability to your existing videography policy and you're covered for claims tied to your work. That means legal fees, settlements, or even just defending yourself in court doesn't come straight out of your pocket. As freelancers, we don't always have the cushion that big companies do, which is why this kind of protection is so important. Freelancers can't afford to gamble. Use my link in the description, set up your next insurance coverage, and add professional liability to protect yourself from client disputes before they happen.